Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one to remember, I believe. It is *1234#. And as you can see, it is a technical code where we can easily check the software version of this device. So let's tap on OK. And another code, also the technical one, it is *#07#. And thanks to it, we can open the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. So let's tap on OK, and another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#06#. And thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *#426##. And here we are in the diagnostics, so basically we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. After tapping on events, here we've got some further details, and after tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got more information like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. At least it should be displayed right here. You will get more information if you've got your Google account added to the device. Be aware about that. Another code is hardware revision. It is *#888#. And here we've got the PCB number, which is also a technical number, and the QR code which we can scan and then learn more about the device. Let's go back, and another code for phone software information. It is *#6776#. And here we are in the software version. So for example, again, we can check the PCB number, the Android version, for example, the exact model of our device, version, etc. And basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.